before you go to prison, popcorn underneath you. You're teaching
What that?
everything.
What kind of argument that?
I know argument, it's just a talk.
No, I mean not like the underneath me talk there.
No, underneath.
It's giving. Popcorn, why?
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with T. We are back with some new updates in dancehall entertainment news as Vybz Kartel finally addressed the rumors about SHORTY giving him not just bun but a whole heap of cheese. He also cleared the air on the status of his relationship with dancehall artist POPCAAN, so you will definitely need to watch the full video to get all the tea, okay? So if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe for the latest updates, and I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Now, today, I think it was either yesterday or earlier today, he was in Montego Bay, Vybz Kartel, and he did an interview with Keshia Kapir, that is Gucci Mane's wife. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her, but she's Jamaican, and she flew all the way from America to Montego Bay, and Vybz Kartel came to Mobay to do the interview just for her. And I'm sure you guys already see the videos all over social media where he was interacting with, you know, Montegonians. He said Montegonians are his biggest fan base, and now we see that this is the reason why he was in Mobay for this specific interview. Now, there have been a lot of rumors circulating SHORTY and, you know, Kartel and the whole man in a house business, and Kartel never really addressed it, SHORTY never really addressed it either, but Keshia Kapir was bold enough to ask the question, and this is what Vybz Kartel said. Check this out.
And my situation wasn't like that, but she reminded me of me, because when my husband got prison, everybody was like, in my face 10-20, you stay with him. I say yes, me I stay with him.
Which bring me to the next thing. That's why I told you about the bun and cheese earlier. Jesus.
So well, baby, I will get the bun and SHORTY.
Every time.
Keshia Kapir, behave yourself. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Zip it up.
May I tell you? But let's just say that every time I see bun,
you're afraid.
I'm traumatized.
You're traumatized.
PTSD.
But guess what?
Yeah.
Them not give no bun. If that woman left Europe and come to Jamaica, she not give no bun.
When you hear that, guys, Kartel said him traumatized when he see bun and cheese. And if you know him lyrical, or you know say he's been indirectly saying, yeah, he get Wally Pabon in India prison. Anyways, Keshia Kapir also asked about, you know, the burning question where everybody asks if Kartel and POPCAAN good, because we've seen the video with Brando when he asked about POPCAAN if he's gonna pop up on the Freedom Street show, and Kartel said we don't know about that, but then POPCAAN said he's going. And you know, what is a question? Because if you notice, Kartel go be in pull up a family foot, in pull up a everybody else foot. I mean, I see him pull up with POPCAAN. But now, in clarify, and this is what Vybz Kartel said. Check this out.
You know, so back in the day, before you go to prison, popcorn underneath you. You're teaching
what that?
everything.
What kind of argument that?
I know argument, it's just a talk.
No, I mean not like the underneath me talk there.
No, underneath.
It's giving.
So, you know I'm a learn.
Why?
Popcorn. And he must scream free world boss. But your son do a song say popcorn a Judas.
No, that's him, little Addy.
Little Addy.
You know, but I would say this. Every relationship have up and sideways. Because we not go down.
That
but
is
you know
true.
them way there, so I just saw me and POPCAAN from the work. I remember POPCAAN and my son, you know.
So, yes.
You know what I mean? But me and him good now.
Okay,
we talk,
good. I want to make sure you're good.
Yeah. We talk on everything, man. You know?
So now you hear that for yourself, Kartel and POPCAAN good. See, they may be not good like before, but then cordial. At least that's what I think. And honestly, I think he might pop up a Freedom Street. I remember say Pinky Pinks go on the fix and say Freedom Street is going to be very controversial. So who knows? Next topic we're going to talk about is a dancehall artist 450 upsetting the girls. One girl in particular, Britt. 450 posted looking like he's either engaged or getting married, and Britt was upset. She all did a cry, like real tears, and I said, don't do this. But you guys check this out and tell me what you think.
Remember say it's me. Remember say you're gonna miss me. for 50, really? Please don't do me like that. Please don't do me like that. Really? I thought we had a thing. Bro, really? I wear a size 7, bro. I've been here the whole time. Being loyal to you. Bro, really, bro? It's cool. Bro, really, bro?
Now, I don't know if you've heard this story, but this story had touched me. It's been going around social media of this young man. They call him Cornerstone Boss. I'm sorry. He was molested by somebody when he was 14 in Lucy, and he reported it, and nothing happened. So, you know, he been telling the story, and I tell them, say, yo, if I'm not deal with it, me go deal with it my way, and him threatened for alive the man. So me go make an hear what happened to him, and then me come back and chat to him.
If you say here, but you know, Cornerstone Boss at talk. I saw the video and on a joke video. This a video. So a video I want serious video me. Hear me I say. The video of the Jamaica Constabulary Force to the police in a Lucy police station. From Lucy CIBC office to the one we down there. So you see it. From headquarters to Lucy police station to Kingsdale police station. When me a 14-year-old, one man named Alfred Buchanan, otherwise known as Martin, in Carmo you got Orange Bay go molest me. I'm come back and tell you know, I report it to everybody. I tell the people I'm in my community and they laugh at me and they mock me and a bag of things happen. You see me? CD end up here about here and CD send for me and send me go here homes. You see, I got caught one time in January 2015 and all them do I send me go here homes and I get fit person order. End up that I got jail. I left jail when I was 18 and I come back and I tell the people them say yo, I want get justice because this man carry me go do whatever with me. I'm gonna get no justice for my thing. You see me? I'm going as much time at over 10 years to solve the case. You see me? I could have killed myself. You see, I could have murdered myself and I say no, I want to do it the law way because them say yo, for do things by the law. I try to seek help from Jamaica for justice. I try to seek help from all kind of people to get justice because it affect me. You see, but through your man, them say, oh, a man blow. Oh, what me I tell them this, you see, my pain, now go so. Here, I have 2 daughters. And you see right now, how me and me, I might dead. But they not going to know their father as no weak man. They're going to know their father dead for what is right.
It's so sad that our Jamaican justice system has failed him. He was 14. He never asked me something, you know, and get take away. And enough things like this happen to young girls and no come out time. But me thinking brave if you come out and say this and anybody. Me did see some people in the comments a laugh at me and say, God no, only no brother, only no sister. God forbid if I ever happen to no, I hope I'm brave enough to come talk. This is nothing to laugh about. But anyways, people rallied around him, they kept alive, donated and reached out and helped him. And they finally take up back a case after, how much he said, 10 or 14 years. And this is what he said. Check this out.
I watch you know. Right now, I'm there by Lucy CIBC office. You see me? Yeah. I left from the Lucy CIBC office and I come up at headquarters. So the police, them currently have the matter back on track. You see me, them a work with the thing, you see me, them a revisit the whole thing or whatever. So, at this point in time, the matter is very sensitive. Certain things I can't go talk about, you see me. But I want to tell the people, I thank them for everybody who reached out so far for make the video go out there. You see, I really respect that strength, you see, pray. The people who are send threat, don't worry about it, because it might go down. You see me, only for respect, man, as you see it. Thanks a lot for the support so far. And for young man them out there we been through and me been through too, don't be afraid to talk up, bro. You see me? Females them get hurt too. I know I got to, you see me? We have to just stay strong, you see? All heap of greatness.
My heart goes out to you, Cornerstone Boss. I hope I get the justice that you're looking for. And for anybody else who's going through this is proof that you can speak up and get the help that you need. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. It was a pleasure. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I really appreciate it if you leave a like and leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye.